In this video we are going to learn how to install the essential pieces of software for doing data science with R. Obviously the first piece of software is the R program itself, so we can go to the R website to download it. That website is r-project.org, and if we go to the download section we enter to this link grant. Here we will find some servers. We can choose one that's close to us, or we can just choose the first one, which is Zero Cloud. In this new web page we select the link that corresponds to our operating system. For example, here I'm working with Windows, so I'm going to click download R for Windows. Now we are going to enter to the base subdirectory. Here we are going to find the binary to download R for Windows. Currently the most recent version is 4.1.0, so I'm going to click it to download the software. Once it's downloaded, we can click the file to start the installation. And here we can start the setup, so we can choose the language to use during installation. Click OK, we can review the license and click Next. We can select that extension location. On Windows, program files will be fine. Can click Next. Here we can select all the components to be installed, that's fine, we click Next. For the start options we can accept the default, so we can choose here No and click Next. Then we select the start menu folder, R is fine, we click Next. If we want to create a desktop shortcut or a quick launch shortcut, we can check these boxes, otherwise we can just click Next. That will start the installation. Now the installation is done, so we can click Finish. If we go to the Start menu, we are going to find that R was installed in our computer. So here we will find the file, so we can start it. And this is the interface for the R program. This is very basic. We could run some commands here. We could start a new script, but apart from that, there is no tool that make our work easy if we want to create a script, edit or run scripts. So it's better to work with an interactive development environment. The most popular IDE is RStudio, so we are going to install it as well. So this is the second piece of software that we need for doing data science in R. So here we can navigate to the products, and then we're going to choose RStudio IDE. In this web page we find that there are two versions of RStudio, RStudio Desktop and RStudio Server. For most of our work probably we will find with RStudio Desktop, so we click here and then we can download the open source edition, which is free. And then in this new web page we can download the IDE. So we choose the free version, click download, and finally we get to the link to download the binary for Windows. So I'm going to click here and download this file. Once it's downloaded, we can click the file to start the installation. Okay, so here is the setup. We click Next to start, and then we select the destination folder, program files on Windows, it's fine. Then we can just click Install, and then we will start installing RStudio in our computer. Once the installation is complete, we can click Finish to close this interface. Okay, so now we can start RStudio. So we can go to the folder and then click it RStudio to launch it.